Not too many videos start off this way where I'm behind the wheel, but ended up getting a trip last minute last night to New York, and we were able to come right back, so we landed in New York like 4:35 in the morning, and then we jumped on the first available flight back to Long Beach at 6:30. Left a little late, but it's 10:30 in the morning here on a Saturday morning. Get to be home all day with my family, and my April schedule is going to be completely different, but I'm excited. Waze is already telling me that I have 2 hours of traffic, or not traffic, but usually this ride takes about an hour and a half, but now it's down to, up to 2 hours now. So I'm not looking forward to that. It's also routing me through the local toll road, the 73 freeway. So I'll probably do that too. Got to pull out my trusty pass here. Fast track. Boop. Can you see that? Boop. And yeah, but, hopefully they don't charge me too much today. But anywho, boom, it's attached to my window. Now they track me. They know where I'm going. Alright, it's 12:50 and I'm just now exiting for the final stretch home on the 56 freeway. The traffic has been ridiculous, but a really cool note is that the captain and I, we live rather, pretty close to each other in San Diego, and we did a little experiment. He was ahead of me the entire trip because he didn't need to get gas. I needed to get gas. And I also followed Waze where it told me to pull off some side streets to get off the 405 freeway, then get back on down the way, which was really bothersome to me because it was just, I did not want to do that. Because it seemed like by the time I got back onto the freeway, it was already flowing at normal speed. I followed Waze to the 73 toll road, and push comes to shove, I stayed in the far right, or second to right lane, the slow lanes, and I ended up catching up to him. At one point I was 4 miles, maybe 5-6 miles behind him, and I overtook him at one point. But then as we got closer towards the 78 and 78 freeway, I got slowed down quite a bit in the slow and fast lane. He was able to overtake me and get on 78 before me. But yeah, pretty interesting little test there. It does show that my theory, or the said theory, that driving in the third or fourth lane, the two slowest lanes, are actually faster than driving in the far left lane, which he stated. Anyways, it's almost 12:51 and I'm exhausted. This drive is technically half of what the flight was. So I gotta still push out yesterday's video. Sorry about that. This video I'm just gonna upload shortly anyway. Not that interesting for you, but yeah, good times on traffic. Peace. Let's see here. All right. Since that Green Chef was so popular, by popular just like, a couple hundred views on Instagram, I don't know how many on YouTube. Let's do another one. Boom, we're gonna do white bean patties. Ready for it? Time lapse. You did it all by yourself. Good job, sweetheart. You went on your bottom. Good job. Are you gonna jump? Whoa! That is pretty awesome. Oh, you're so close. Woo! Good job,
My
sweetie.
Justin is still over there. My Justin is taking for a long time.